What's up? I'm here with, so this is from BestLaceWigs, says professional hair manufacturer, 100% human hair with affordable price. So you know, this is the regular packaging it always comes in, because it's not the first time I'm getting hair from BestLaceWigs. Open the box and I see the hair. This is very full, like, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut away some of this from over my eyes because it's uncomfortable, and I'm just gonna proceed to start you know, got to being this down. It looks so good though, like the hairline looks really good. It's a bit too long for me at the ear portion, so you guys know I always cut it away when it is too long.
You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's made, the way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. You're driving me crazy. And lately, your body's amazing.
Just got it wet. I use mousse in combination with some conditioner. This is the olive oil rock set mousse, and this is the Tresemme moisture rich conditioner. Usually when I get this type of wig, I don't usually do the fluff style. Usually I do it like I apply the water and I just brush everything down and let it like have minimal fluff. But today I said let me do something different, and this is what I did, because this is a full wig. So if you're looking for a cut like this and you just want to, like, you know, you just want that fluffed short look, this wig is for you. Like, it really is. It's really nice. It looks healthy, it's trendy. It's a very trendy style. So I love the meltdown. The lace is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. Like, so pretty. Like, what? Yes, definitely a wig you'd expect from BestLaceWigs, being that, you know, it named BestLaceWigs. I'm going to be sure to put all the information on this wig, the link where you can get it, all that good stuff in the description box, so you guys can be sure to go ahead and check that out. Shout out to BestLaceWigs for this beautiful wig. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye!